Oriens Diacare. We live in a highly revolutionized world, which is getting more technologically advanced day by day. This lifestyle that modern man has adopted has various drawbacks to it. This lifestyle modification has landed him in pardon of degenerative diseases. Degenerative diseases are otherwise called as silent killers, and diabetes is considered as most dangerous of all. In olden days, Ayurvedic traditional practices of medicine describe the only cure of diabetes is through natural foods. Today, around the world, diabetes is one of the most degenerative diseases that has affected and will affect millions of people. It is one of the first silent killers. What is diabetes? When we consume food, it goes down to the stomach, where it breaks down into glucose, and pancreas secretes necessary insulin in the bloodstream. When glucose and insulin travel together, it is the job of insulin to transport glucose into the cell for giving energy. Insulin is a key which opens the blood cells and lets in insulin. When the pancreas is defected or is not able to secrete enough insulin for the body, the sugar directly enters the bloodstream, and this is called blood sugar. And we can categorize it into type 1 diabetes and type 2 diabetes. In type 1 diabetes, pancreas stops secreting insulin completely. The glucose, which fails to get into cells, causes high blood sugar levels. In type 2 diabetes, the insulin molecule tries to get into the cell but does not, because the cell becomes resistant to insulin, and this condition is called diabetes. Diabetes is a result of chain of activities inside our body. It involves pancreas, a small gland located just below and behind the stomach. And diabetes will lead to many complications involving eye, heart, kidney, etc. Diacare is an effective product which contains Gymnema. Banaba. This has been used in Ayurvedic medicine to control blood sugar levels. Banaba has carosolic acid, which has same properties of insulin. So, this acts in opening the cell and letting in the insulin. Gymnema is the other super ingredient in Diacare. During digestion of food, it controls the absorption of sugar by small intestine and also prevents the harmful effects. The gymnemic acid in Gymnema fills up the sweet taste bud, also spreads around the wall of small intestine and covers all the places where sugar can rest. Tinospora is one of the dependable ingredients for the protection of heart. Tinospora fights against the sugar and also enhances the entire immune system of our body. Diacare is a herbal product. It has no side effects. Diacare, natural ingredient, fights against diabetes. Oriens Diacare is a natural way to fight against diabetes. Contains 60 capsules. Take 2 capsules per day before food